Located in Emporia, Kansas, and accredited by the Higher Learning Commission, Flint Hills Technical College has a rich 60-year history of delivering industry-specific and community-engaged curriculum to a diverse community of learners in hands-on, work-based learning models. An integral part of the economy in East Central Kansas, Flint Hill Technical College is committed to understanding and meeting the educational needs of this area's citizens, businesses, industries, and service sectors. FHTC graduates are prepared for careers that fuel economic growth in this region and beyond. Technical colleges are the most flexible, accessible, and affordable option in higher education. Learn more about Flint Hills Technical College. One college, endless opportunities. For course information or to schedule a visit, go to fhtc.edu or call 620-343-4600.